guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla layer cake. Let's begin. So today's video is a little bit different to the usual that I would normally upload, as normally if I'm showing you a recipe it would be from start to finish, and this is like about a quarter or half of the way through. But I thought I'd still upload it as I did have another recipe which was a cheesecake, but I uploaded a cheesecake last week so wasn't sure how that would go down. I'm just in one of those places where I don't know whether I should upload or what I should upload. Should I have a schedule, so it's like this week, this that week, you know, a schedule so you know what you're getting each week? I'm not 100% sure, but if you do have any recommendations, leave them in the comments down below or message me on one of my social medias. So once you've got your layer cake filled and all layered, you can then put the crumb coat on. This is just a layer of icing to lock in all of those crumbs so they won't come through on your final coat. Try and get as many of those crumbs locked in now, and it'll save you a whole heap of time later on, and it'll look nice at the end. So when it comes to the final coat of icing, you'll want to put quite a lot on, as you'll be scraping a fair amount off. So once you've got enough icing on the side of your cake, you can then get your cake scraper and scrape away some of the excess, which will also help smooth it out. Just be careful not to remove all of that icing and then scraping the crumb coat into your final coat, and then it will just look a mess. I then like to work on the top. Some people do the top then the sides, whichever works for you. It's the same process really, generous amount on top and try and get that as level and smooth as possible. And once you've done that, you can then place it in the fridge for around half an hour to 45 minutes just so the buttercream firms up. So to do the drips on the side of your cake, feel free to use a spoon, but I had one of those squirty bottles which you can put sauce and other condiments into, which made it really easy to move it around and get it where I wanted it. I like long drips, but you can alternate them between long and short, whichever works for you. I then decided to pipe shells around the bottom of the cake just to cover up some of the ugly bits at the bottom, but feel free to leave these out if you don't want to do them. I then pipe on top to hide the edging from the chocolate drips. Again, this isn't perfect. I don't really like piping on top of cakes, but I wanted to hide that. So yeah, feel free to do it however you like. I then fill the top with some grated chocolate. You may have seen that I've been using this quite a lot recently in some videos. And that's it for the cake. So I then put it back in the fridge for maybe half an hour, and then you can take it out and enjoy it. So this cake was made for a family member's 40th birthday. If you want to make somebody a special cake, this is perfect as it's quite high, it's around 6 to 6.5 inches in height. So it's definitely got the wow factor when you put it on the table or when you're cutting it. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. Check me out on my social medias as I do post on Instagram stories what I'm doing at the time, so you may even get some sneak peeks or behind the scenes. If you want to message me, feel free to with any recommendations. Yeah, bye guys.